Secret YouTube channel. Today we'll test one indicator from the last day. It's a purple cloud. So what I did, I choose from indicators purple cloud indicator, and I choose another indicator that's called Bollinger Bands Breakout. Bollinger Bands Breakout oscillator from Lux Algo. So what I'm using this, as you know, this indicator I set to give only strong buy and strong sell signals. The catch is to choose the right buying pressure threshold. For example, for currencies, I'm using 0.5. For stocks, I'm using 1.4, 1.3, 1.5, and then testing to see the best results. So, as you know, this is the complicated indicator that use several indicators, exponential moving average, volume weighted moving average, super trend, etc. So, you have a video to check from the last time. Now we just want to check everything here. What I'm doing, I will choose replay trading in TradingView. I will pick the date. My date is, for example, 1 year. I will pick 1 year here, and I will try to see what will happen when I start to trade this kind of the strategy. So let me dive in. I'm looking to find a signal to start trading, for example. I'm watching 4-hour chart. When I see the signal, I will make a pause. This is the best approach. Okay. And the March 7, 2024, we got a buy signal. Here, I will make a buy order just to check. Bollinger Bands bullish. Okay, breakout bullish. This is bullish. I will make a buy order. And now I will just watch what's happened and will I keep this trade. As you can see, there is a bullish pattern here. And when this bullish pattern is broken, I will stop my trade. So still, I keep this trade. Right now, I got a bearish signal. So I need to sell. And this is the not so good move. Let me go further. I will make another sell just to check here. As we can see, we are going down and I keep this trade. It's still bearish. I'm in profit. I see a bullish signal here and I will make a buy order. Still watching what's happened. We have a push here, bullish push. My trade in profit. I'm waiting what's happened. I still hold this buy order. We still push up. I don't see any divergence right now. It's still up. It's going up. Okay, now we have a bearish signal and I will sell. Now I am break even. Now because of this bearish signal, I make a sell order and I'm watching what's happening. Okay, there is a buy order right now and I will make a buy order. Buy order. Now I got the sell order and now I will sell order. Of course, I'm late. I missed few candles. This is just practice, not more. I'm just watching this sell order. What happened here? Okay, there is a buy order. Again, I make buy. Now I close the previous trade. I'm positive, but nothing special. And now we're keeping up. I keep this buy order right now. I'm watching still. Buy order. Okay, this is the broken pattern. We have a sell order and I will close this order. Now I will create another sell order and I will watch what's happened more. And as you can see, going down. So this indicator is very, very good to detect breakout and the stop of the trend. However, for stop loss, other things, you should try to find important price levels better than wait to opposite signal. However, the opposite signal can be good signal to stop per trade. Now I'm watching what's happened and I'm still in bearish mode. We have a bullish and bearish signal. I keep a bearish signal still. I keep this signal. I monitor the trade, keep the signal. I have a bull order. I will close the previous trade. I make the buy order and monitor what's happened. There is a sell order here. I make another sell order and I'm watching what's happened now. This is the end of 2024. The indicator still it's very good. As I watch, either the losing, either the profitable trade. The good thing with this indicator, your P&L is mostly positive. You don't go to the drawdown. And I like indicators like that. So, okay, I had here mixed signals, one buy, one sell order. As we can see, we are in the red breakout section when we watch Bollinger Bands. So I keep this sell order more. Now we have a buy trade. I will close my previous trade. I will make buy order. I have a sell order. I will close this. I will make another sell order. However, there is a breakout here. I make another buy order. So we got performance, profit in cash, 134, winning rate 61% of the time. So, like I said, we can test a lot of strategies. If you want rare signal to avoid a lot of signals, the most important thing in this indicator is to try in settings to play with buying pressure and selling pressure threshold. If you put, for example, 1%, it will be much rare signals in this, and you can continue to test the strat more and more. Now, I will just use use the same strategy to test stocks. For example, I will take a Tesla. I will choose a date. For example, date be, let me see, whole year. I will use a 4-hour chart, speed, let 5. So we have a sell order. Of course, I'm late. This is a bit fast. I have a buy signal, but profitable trade, as we can see. Now I'm making a buy trade. I'm making a buy trade and watch what will happen. There is a sell trade. Okay, I will close. Little loss. I keep the sell trade. Watch. Okay, there is a buy order. Okay, I close. Little, very small loss. Again, sell trade. I don't like this. Too much trades, and too very short term. What I will do right now, I will just back here and I will put 1.5. Let me see the difference. Okay, we have a sell trade. We're waiting to see the net trade. Okay, we have a buy trade, have a profit trade. Okay, we make another buy. Now we have a sell trade, watching what's happened. As we can see, there is a lot of signals here. Too much signals. This is not good. What I will do right now, I'm going to 1-day chart, and here I will select the date. We're waiting for signal. Now it's better because there's no so much signals. We're watching what's happened. Okay, there is a buy trade here. Another buy. Okay, this is the same. I do not close my trade. We are going up. Excellent move. Now we have a sell. However, we have a huge profit. Now we make a sell order to see what will happen here. Now we have a buy order. Little loss. I keep my buy order. We're going up, really up. There is a sell order here. We're in huge profit. I make another sell order. This is the end. Okay, as we can see, we have a 75% winning rate and huge profit cash. Like I said, for stocks, you should always try to make a 4-hour and daily chart to see if there is so many trades in 4-hour time frame. Go to the daily and use there and try to watch what's happened. So you need to test every single day. Test one stock, another stock, all equities. Test the gold, metals, the forex, anything. And this is the only way to find the good setups. Of course, take 10, 15, 20 years to test. This is something that I lose a lot of time every single day, even using automated strategies, even like this on TradingView, testing not just the indicators or expert advisors. I'm testing my systems in my head and I try to see how they perform my chart. So this is very important. Even you work in gym, even you work as a trader, you need to work and practice every single day. This is it. I wish you a great day and bye-bye.